Hi, I'm Leslie Runyon, and this is the Tunnel Dam Garden Center and Mother Nature's Riverfront Retreat and Old Morgan Outfitters. It's three businesses combined to one to become eventually all Mother Nature's Riverfront Retreat. But it's a process and a work of ongoing art, that's what I'll call it. It's a 160-acre peninsula. When I purchased the place, it was just 2 greenhouses, and it's grown now to a campground, and this is our 5th annual Easter egg hunt. The first event of the year is always our annual Easter egg hunt, and then we have events every month after that. We finish off the year with the Haunted Maze and Hayride. This will be our 5th year. And we just have a lot of fun. We try to keep it family oriented. And I'm so glad to have the Easter Bunny come out here. He hid 16,000 eggs today in the 3 fields. One field was 5 and under. One field was 6 to 10, and the other field was 11 and up. And we had a lot of adults out there also. We had donations from all kinds of different local restaurants and businesses. I kind of got to a point where my kids were grown up, done with college, and it wasn't just doing things for survival. Now it was for fun, and what did I want to do? And what floats my boat is seeing the expression on kids' faces when they're excited for the first time, when they get to do things with their family. Nowadays, so many families, both parents have to work to be able to support the family, and then there's nothing left to be able to enjoy time with the family. So this is my opportunity to give people a place to come for a good family time that they can enjoy and afford. Striker thing full of candy, and then a Darth Vader pillow.
Very cool.
They're all hiding in the trees. If you look hard enough, you'll find them. Oh yeah, I found a quarter!
We got a big popsicle. It's a great family event, lots of families around. Just a great way to spend a Saturday.
That's really good. I picked up a whole bucket of them.
Oh, Aiden.
I picked up a whole bucket of eggs. My bucket was full. Eggs are mine.
Yeah, it was so full, he didn't know where we were. And he was running to us and dropping back everywhere on the ground.
Yeah, I got a whole bunch.
Whole bunch?
I loved it.
Oh, I thought it was awesome. The kids had a blast. It was just perfect. The weather's great. It's a great place to have it. It's just really been nice. Just thank you so much for everybody that donated and for you all here. It was just a
So we ran a coloring booth for all the kids. What they could do is they came up and they got a little picture colored in, handed back to us. We would hang it up on the wall so everyone could see it, and then they got to choose a prize from us.
You can get here by way of D Road or U Road. When the river's high, you can't cross the Whistle Bridge off of U Road, so you have to take D Road. For detailed directions, you can go to our website at mothernaturesriverfrontretreat.com. We're also on Facebook, and we're also listed as Tunnel Dam Garden Center. The phone number here is 573-363-5408 for reservations and for more information about our events. Our next event will be our swap and shop over Mother's Day.